If you want to make good money, triangle pattern are the best option, and in this video we are going to talk exactly that. And also I have a tip for day traders, so stay with me till the end. Now let's get started. So first let's quickly take a look at different type of triangle patterns. This is ascending triangle or bullish triangle. Next is asymmetric triangle. Third is descending triangle, or we can say bearish triangle as well. And the next one is bingo, love triangle. I'm sorry, we will talk about this some other day. So let's start with number one triangle, asymmetric. In this, price travels sideways, so you will find price traveling this way, and you have to just draw a trend line among the highs and the lows of this price. And in this one, price can give breakout or breakdown in any direction. So if more buyers are there in the market, the price will move upwards, and if you find more sellers are in the market, it will go downward, means it will give a breakdown. So in the market you will very rarely find triangles making a perfect asymmetrical triangle like this. So you have to use your imagination, you have to watch the graph very carefully, and you have to draw trend lines according to that. So after the breakout or breakdown, price will always take a retest, and then it will move toward downward, or retest on the upside and it will move on the upward direction. So always be ready for the retest, and especially in asymmetrical triangle. Now target and stop loss. Normally what happens, the distance between this area will be our target above here. So let us put our points here and see how many points this is. So if this is 19 points, we'll take the same thing and we'll apply it here above the breakout. So this area will be our target, and simple stop loss will be below this trend line. So as you can see, this makes a great risk to reward trade. That's why triangle pattern are mostly used, and it is mostly preferred by all the traders. Now let's take a live example of asymmetrical triangle. This is 1 hour time frame of crude oil. So we'll just draw a pattern here. I may find this pattern very easy because I've been trading on this pattern since many months. You have to just practice it, back test it, and you will also get it the same way I am getting. Now our trend line is placed perfectly on the highs and here in the lows. So price gave a breakdown here. Sometimes price doesn't take a retest, but you have to be ready. As soon as the price gives a breakout, you have to get into the trade. Keep your stop loss at this area, enter the trade here, and take your profits. So let's see how many points were this trade. So if I apply here, it is showing around 144. So we'll take the same thing, put it on the breakdown area, and you can see we are easily achieving the target. Here the wick is gone till this area, and this is a 1 hour time frame. So we have achieved our target. And if you feel the pattern will give a false breakout, so it is 100% possible that patterns give false breakout. So it may go till this area, but again reverse. So what should you do? You go and watch my previous video, because in that I have explained clearly how to trade false breakout. So please watch that. I'll put the link in the description below. The next is ascending pattern. Price travels this way, it makes a small higher high, and then we have to draw a trend line this way on the upside, so it will look somewhat this. Now here the price will give a breakout on the upward direction. So simply you have to keep your stop loss again below this swing, and you have to get into the trade as soon as the price breaks this trend line. So again profit will be of this area. This is 39. So we'll take the same thing, we'll apply it here, and your profit will be 39 points. Ascending pattern on the charts will be looking like this way. Swing high, you have to connect the swing high. Simple, you have to connect the swing lows over here, and price will give a on the upward direction. So it has given a big target here. Now let's take one more example of asymmetrical triangle. So we'll simply draw a trend line this way, correct, and from the lower highs we'll connect all the dots this way. So now tell me which direction the price will break out. On the upside, correct? but I want to show you here the price has given a big downside breakdown. So that what happens in triangle pattern. Price can give breakout in any direction, pattern, asymmetrical pattern or descending triangle. It can give breakdown in any direction, so you have to watch the pattern, you have to watch the chart carefully, and after that only you have to get into a trade. Never predetermine the market that it will go in some direction. You have made your mind to go in that direction only. And even if you take a stop loss in triangle pattern, so here you can see the distance of stop loss is so less, and when you are doing profit it is so high. So even though you are taking stop loss in triangle pattern, it is fine, but when you are winning, you make sure that you take the profit and cover your losses in that. And again, do not be greedy in the market. So do not go for higher targets in intraday. In intraday, 1:2 is the best target. So if we apply here 1:2 target, so our stop loss will be here, and look at this, 1:2 is somewhere at this area, and you will be getting much more than that. But 1:2 and max to max 1:3 is more than enough in intraday. And if you are doing swing trading, then it's fine, you keep higher targets, then it is fine. So let us look at triangle pattern from a buyer and seller point of view, because in the market they are the only two people present. So when you look here, sellers brought the market this low, but again market took support here and went up. But the second time seller did not bring the market till here, this trend line. The buyers came here in the market and they took the market upward, and then again a support and then a breakout. Now the last pattern, descending triangle. So price travels this way, you can draw your trend line, and from here that makes our descending triangle pattern. So when price breaks this trend line, it gives a breakdown. You simply keep your stop loss at this area, enter into the trade at this area, take your profits, and you are done. So now on the live chart, we'll draw trend line from above, trend line from here. Price gave a breakdown at this area, we'll keep our stop loss above here and we'll take the profit. This much points are more than enough for intraday. And if you are doing swing trading, still market gives us enough target, you can still trade in the market from here till this area. So descending pattern from a buyer seller point of view will look like this. Price went up high, this area came down, again tried. You can see here, once price came at this area, but the second time it did not cross this high, it only came till this area, went down, again a retest to the trend line, and it's break downward. So the tip of the day is select only few patterns. Like I like to trade in price action, and inside price action there is triangle patterns. I like to trade in trend lines like this and candlestick with volume. So you also choose whatever suits you and trade according to that. And you also choose a specific stock, like 3-4 stock you can choose, like HCL, Reliance, HDFC, or whatever suits your trading style, and you can trade in that stocks. So what will happen is this, it will make you familiar with your trading style, and you will get to know more about how a specific stock performs. Next, check out all the important video links in the description and even in the I button up on the right corner. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for such informative content. That's it for the day. I'll see you in the next one.